Hi everyone, sorry for the delay in filming and posting this. I've got no excuse other than I'm lazy. But today I have a Lockwood 301-63 steel bodied padlock. It does have a key, it doesn't seem to be the original Lockwood one. It's an API keyed core. Works nice. 5 pins. LW4 C4 profile. And dead core, no spring. Double ball locking. Just using a homemade pry bar for top of key weight tension. And a thin medium hook. Light tension into the back of the keyway. No tension as yet. Light tension. Feeling for 5th pin. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five pins, all spring loaded. Stick our pry bar in. Sneak up to the back of that keyway. Okay, pin 5 set. Feeling for this blinder. Pin 3. So pin 1. Let's work our way through again. Feel those pins. There we go. Seem to have misplaced my larger screwdriver that I was using for cutting. I'll have to look for that. These have a little retaining pin. Steel, which protrudes out into this hole in the side of the body. Oh, there goes the cam. Okay. Lock it back up and pop this clip off. Okay. Where did I put that? Dodgy homemade follower. Okay, no, I'm not going to push it out with the follower. Let's just take the Bible cap off. Leave the key in there so we can take the springs out easily. Very short springs in this. Rotate the lock so we can just drop the drivers out one by one. 1. Two, just dropped him. It's a short driver. 3. 4 is another short driver. 5. Now this does seem to be a different core than the 530, which came in my 234 45s, because it actually has a brass rod or pin which locks the core in place. That's why I didn't worry about trying to pull it out. I'll show you in a second. Whoop. There's pin 5. It's okay. Now on the lock itself, it has a retainer and also a limiter. It's dual function. Only allows 90-degree rotation of the plug. And I did try and depress it, but it seems to be one that's driven in, so it's staying there. I'm not pulling that apart. I can't get the light down into there to show you, but they are all standard. That's why we can see light through there. That slot. They are all standard. There is nothing done to modify it or make it easier. And here's all of our pins, all just standard Lockwood, beveled. All standard tips, all standard pins, and when lined up side by side, a semi-balanced, so they're almost uniform length from top to bottom when driver and key pin are together. The main reason for that being that there's only limited space up in a Bible, so if you have a crazy long pin and a crazy long driver, a crazy long key pin and a long driver, it would make it harder. Like for instance, if I take the driver from pin 3 and set it beside the longer pin from pin 2, the longer key pin, there's a lot more material to try and hide up into the Bible, as well as the spring, because the spring can only compress so far. Aside from that, there's not really much more to this lock. I got it for $5 from Gumtree. I actually paid more for postage. It cost me $10 to have it posted. And the seller actually did not communicate at all after I had paid for it, despite me asking for tracking information, which made me wary and worried that it wasn't going to turn up. And then, to my surprise, about a week later, it showed up. So, all pins down in the correct positions. All springs in place. And Bible cap in place. Look at this key. And just to show, I'll grab. Come here. Just a random key. Doesn't turn it. Doesn't turn it. It's actually an LW5 C4 profile. So we'll put back this clip that I didn't have to take off. reposition the retainer. Better confirm that cam is going to be where we want it to be. No, right. No, there's still no round where it needs to be. Turn that just a little bit more. No, it needs to be rotated 180 degrees because the cutouts for the ball bearings are at different heights, which I found out the hard way. And if you put it back together without having those cutouts in the right position, you would have a real fun time trying to get the lock open again. So that's a caveat to be wary of. There we go. And holding it like this now so that that locking pin stays where it is until the screw's down in there, because otherwise it falls back into the screw hole. You have all sorts of fun. There we go, reassembled. Lockwood 301-63, picked, disassembled and reassembled. Thanks for watching.